Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to start our new assignment so that we can understand QuickBooks in a better and practical way. So you can download the assignment and follow along. Check out the description for the assignment, and if you are new to the channel and this is the first video you are watching, then we have a complete playlist that you can check out from the description. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video.
Okay, to make this training as practical as we can, we have decided to break down the training into assignments. So we will directly start from our practical assignments, uh, in which you will see a real-time company scenario of a trading company. We will discuss three companies, three industries. One is trading company, one is manufacturing company, and other is service company. So three companies are there, and you all know that 90% of the industry is based on these three industries. So to download and follow along, you must download this Zen Traders 2018 assignment. You will find it in the description. You will find the link in the description. So let's get started. Okay, Zen Traders. Basically, it's a trading company which buy and sell car parts, and the company is not new one. It is trading for a long time, but their accounts were really simple. They were doing bookkeeping manually or on Excel. So now that their work has, you know, increased, their business has increased, so they are thinking to shift to a software. But the problem is, if for example company exists for 10 years, from 10 years, and now they are planning to shift to a to an accounting software, whatever it is, so it's not possible to transfer all the transactions that they have done previously. What they can do is they can extract a balance, a closing trial balance. If you don't know the terminology I'm using, what is trial balance, balance sheet, then you must write me personally on this. So I will give you a basic accounting course for free. So nothing to worry about. Okay, the closing trial balance we will see. We will extract manually or through Excel, whatever it is that we were using previously. So we will extract that balances and simply make it an opening balance in the software. So same as the scenario here, Zen Traders company has decided to start start doing accounting work on QuickBooks as at 1st of January 2018. Before they were using manual accounting system, and now they are shifting to QuickBooks. So 31st December 2017 closing balances of all the ledgers that we have to make an opening for. So first off, we will create this company in QuickBooks. Okay, now that you have understood the scenario, you must download this assignment and follow along. Then we will move to the next video. Thank you.